Are you managing documentation, communication, information in your project as efficient as possible? I'm positive you do and your team does it exactly as good and as smart, as efficient as possible with the available knowledge, experience, and tools. But I also know as a fact that there's a huge potential. After 10 years working in large construction and renewable projects, I have been witnessing and seeing how we could improve efficiency and eliminate waste significantly. One challenge though, it requires courage to change how we do stuff. And we need to change how we do stuff, or else nothing will change. Then we need one system that is based on the single source of truth, where everybody operate, employers, contractors, consultancy, and maybe even authorities. And then we need to take digitalization to its purest. And that means, for example, information that change over time shall not be deep down in document. It has to be real-time data. So it makes us able to take decision based on real-time data that we know is the latest update. Then we need to identify the most important KPIs on the top level of the project, of course, but also on each work stream or discipline in the project. This system or this platform is so easy to use because we tailor it to your organization and your project's specific needs. No new system, just another tab in Microsoft Teams. Onboarding and implementation will be fast and easy. And the core, the backbone of this platform is a responsibility matrix, and that is interactive. That means on every work stream or discipline, there is responsible person assigned. And that also means every single item communication task document will automatically be tagged with a work stream and then the responsible person. And let me demonstrate that now. This is an example how a platform, all-in-one platform to manage and execute a project could look like and consist of. There's 4 main elements in here. There's an overall timeline with the overall milestones. Then there is a dashboard that is automatically being updated based on the team's regular activities. In here we have some KPIs, we have some project performance metrics, and it could be these ones I put in here, for example. And then we have my to-dos. That's the person who's logged in. Everybody has their own little dashboard. They can see everything that is required from them to do. And then we have the overall modules like quality management, we have document management, we have correspondence. There's different types of correspondence, RFI, technical query, everything where there's some communication related to. But also document management is also about communication. It's a communication about the document in the review process. And here we have fully traced communication log right here in the front. And if there's a document with more comment to be reviewed or to be clarified, then we have integrated an interactive comment sheet where you can see there is 5 comments to this document here and 2 is closed. And then we can see this one here, there is some comment from Henning here and it has to be replied by the contractor. I know everyone is executing and managing their project as efficient as possible with the knowledge and the experience and the tools available. But I also know technology has offering us new features and tools that can make it significantly smarter, including AI and the Microsoft Power Platform. And if you're interested to hear more about that, how we can help you executing and manage your project smarter and based on real time with significant less resources, then reach out to me. Thank you.